Hi, and welcome to Kids E-Series, Building Strong Foundations in Your Child. I'm Mrs. Bernice Mukesh. You can call me Ms. B. I'm a mother of two lovely children and also an early childhood educator, a Montessorian with an experience of over 16 years and also a phonics trainer. In this video, I'll be introducing the first 6 alternative sounds in Jolly Phonics. After the children are taught the 42 letter sounds, which represent one way of writing the main sounds of English, the next step is that children begin to understand that some sounds have more than one way of being written. These are known as the alternative spellings. Here in this video, I'll be showing you the first 6 alternative sounds to be introduced to your child after you teach them all the 42 letter sounds and they completely know to blend them, segment and read sentences using the red level decodable books. Remember, by now they should also know the first 12 tricky words. Okay, let's go and have a look at the first 6 alternative spellings or the first 6 alternative sounds. Y as E. A hop over E as A. E hop over E as E. I hop over E as I. O hop over E as O. U hop over E as U. The children have so far been taught that Y has a Y sound as in yes, yell, yet. As a consonant, Y usually comes at the beginning of a word, but it is never found at the end of a word. Now the children need to know that when the letter Y comes at the end of a slightly longer word, it usually has an E sound, as in these words: puppy, nanny, mummy, sunny, floppy, body, buddy, granny, etc. Let's blend them. So even before blending, I'd like to say something. When you see 2 letters coming together, you should tell your children that it has to be sounded out only once. If they see 2 P's, they have to sound out as P, 2 N's, N, 2 D's, D. P, A, P, E, puppy. N, A, N, E, nanny. B, A, D, E, buddy. G, A, N, E, granny. M, A, M, E, mummy. S, A, N, E, sunny. F, L, A, P, E, floppy. The children should be able to blend these words the way I showed you. While blending, they will quickly realize that the letter sound will not be Y because the Y is at the end of the word and not at the beginning. After introducing the letter Y as E, teach the spellings of tricky words. Set 2. Dictate sentences that use the tricky words as well as regular words containing letter sounds that have already been taught. Continue encouraging independent reading. Now the red level readers move to yellow level readers. Next, the hop over E digraphs. The letter E at the end of a word does not say E. It uses its magic to hop back over the consonant and turns a short vowel into a long vowel sound as follows. A hop over E as A. As in 8, ape, game, lane, gate, etc. Watch me blend. 8, 8. Though you see 3 letters, there are only 2 sounds here. One is A hop over E and the letter sound T. A, P, ape. G, A, M, game. L, A, N, lane. G, A, T, gate. E hop over E as in even, theme, these, eve, etc. Watch me blend them. E, V, N, even. F, E, M, theme. v, e, s, these. E, v, eve. I hop over E as in hide, 9, ripe, life, 5, etc. Watch me blend them. I, d, hide. N, I, n, 9. I, p, ripe. L, I, f, life. F, I, v, 5. Remember, all the E's at the end of these words are silent. O hop over E as in bone, home, rope, hope, joke, mole, etc. You can listen to me blending. B, O, N, bone. H, O, M, home. O, P, rope. H, O, P, hope. J, O, K, joke. U hop over E, the last one. Mule, cube, tune, tube, cute, use, etc. Yes, you can see me blending again. M, U, L, mule. K, U, B, cube. T, U, N, tune. T, U, B, tube. K, U, T, cute. Teach the alternative magic E long vowels and dictate regular words and sentences that contain these vowels. This is followed by the next set of tricky words. Teach the spelling of tricky words set 3. Continue again with independent reading. After these hop over E diagrams are taught, kids can be introduced to green level decodable books. Continue again with independent reading and writing as well. The aim is for every child to learn 6 of these new alternative spellings and revise the previous 42 letter sounds. Blend words that use the 6 new alternative spellings and the previous letter sounds, and help them to write words from dictation that use 6 new alternative spellings and the previous letter sounds. They should be able to read and spell at least 20 new tricky words. They should be able to write sentences from dictation that use new tricky words. Continue to read and enjoy more decodable books and write independently. I will take you through the whole process from the beginning till the introduction of 6 new alternative sounds one more time. First, introduce the 42 letter sounds, then the 12 tricky words. In between, teach them letter formation, blending, segmenting. Also dictate words and sentences. Introduce letter names after teaching group 3 letter sounds. Then comes reading the red level reading decodable books, or books that have sentences that contain words and tricky words that your children are introduced to. And then comes the alternative letter sound Y as E. Then second set of tricky words. Then the yellow level decodable books. Then comes hop over E letters, that is the long vowel sounds. Then you introduce the third set of tricky words. And then you move on to the green level decodable books after they learn all the 5 hop over E letter sounds. Encourage independent reading. Give them simple phrases to read and ask them to write 5-line paragraphs on simple topics like visit to the zoo, visit to the park, visit to the beach, my school, etc. I'll be introducing the 16 new alternative sounds in the next video. Do please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you all so much. If you have any queries, do get in touch with me. The number is given in the description below, and leave your comments. Thank you all so much. Have a blessed day.